Opinion essay topic Consequences of building a factory near your community. A company has announced that it wishes to build a large factory near our community. To be frank, I have mixed emotions about this. First, a large factory, especially a large chemical factory, is quite harmful to our environment when it is built near our community. It will affect our daily life a lot. All the chemical factories will produce a lot of waste, and most of the waste are harmful to the environment, including poisonous gases and liquids. Some of them cannot be entirely broken down. If they are released into the air or the river, it will affect our health. And also, the factory may produce a lot of noise. The environment we want to live is in a quiet and peaceful one, so the noise will be quite boring. And yes, noise also affects our health. Still, one thing, a factory can be very dangerous because a fire or an explosion may break out in the factory. If it's very near our home, it's quite dangerous. But on other hand, a factory may be a good news to us. It can provide more jobs for us, especially for the young people in our community. Since the factory is near, it's so convenient to go to the work, and the factory will get more chances to our area. It will help to develop our area, so if the factory can bring us a lot of changes, we will agree to build one. But the most important things are, build the factory in a safe distance from our community, not too near. Make sure that the factory can deal with the waste properly. Do not release the poisonous gas into the air and not release the wastewater into the river nearby. Make sure the security guard in the factory works very well. Thank you for watching and listening. Please do like, share and subscribe.